players are walking in along with the referee, the match referee for today. We will quickly confirm you the details about it, and I will also bring you the statistics of yesterday's game of these two teams, Mamta Moran Senior Secondary School Delhi, Kapastanga Satin Seni Vidyapat Kolkata. It will be taking a toll on the players, but still, as you can see, these players are young and very fit, and this is the national finals which are happening here at Cooperative Ground, Churchgate, Mumbai. So we will have the first match on this junior boys category on this live coverage coming from Cooperage Ground, Churchgate, Mumbai. And come on, India, let's play. And I will let you know about the statistics for yesterday's game. Beautifully defended by Delhi. Gaurav Das trying to move forward very fastly. So will this be another break for Kolkata? Look at his feet. Excellent from Gaurav Das. And that is Arun Rajvanshi for you. Gaurav Das goes for the shot. Blocked by the legs of the defender. Once again, there's an opportunity for the cross. But Rahul Das posts the ball onto the left-hand side. And we have an opportunity here for Delhi coming in, but goalkeeper saves it, and we will get to the replay quickly when the ball goes out of play, and action is still on. He has an 100% track record from yesterday's game. Will this be a free kick? And referee says no, and the play is on still. Another nice ball inside, and the flag stays low. An opportunity for Delhi once again. That's a ball beautifully curved back inside the goal. Trying to score the first goal, which he did successfully yesterday. And in the meanwhile, Kolkata on the that's a mistake by the goalkeeper. And what a flip side turnaround in this game. Kolkata, like yesterday, they have scored this goal first. And we will get to that interesting goal. That was the mistake. It wasn't a goal which was intended as a goal. I beg your pardon, it wasn't the shot which was intended for the goal, but it was a mishit. And Kolkata are in lead now. Himal Mandro scoring that accidental goal for Kolkata. And very nicely defended. Rahul Das intercepting that ball. Kolkata with the possession. So Kolkata are enjoying the possession of the ball now. And it is none other than Arun Rajvanshi with the ball, who's trying to put the ball forward. And guess who has intercepted it? Of course, the captain of Delhi. Saurabh Sharma with the ball. That's a very nice pass onto the left-hand side to Avinash Yadav. A cross coming in. And no one to tackle that, but still Delhi still with the ball. And he's in centre forward position at this moment. Paritya with the ball, trying to deliver the cross. Will he be able to do it? Yes, he does. And manages to find a Delhi forward, unfortunately. For him, he couldn't control the ball. Arun Rajvanshi controlling the ball beautifully there. On the dangerous position. Gaurav Das goes for the shot. And straight to the goalkeeper. Not to have any such incident. And that's the end of the first half. And it is Kolkata leading this game by a goal to nil. That's the live action now. Come on, India, let's play. Rajneesh Rana, who starts the proceedings. As you can see straight away, Delhi are trying to come back into this game. Avinash Yadav with the ball. Look at this moment. Excellent there from Avinash Yadav. And there is an opportunity for, and that's a mistake by the goalkeeper. Rajnish Rana with the shot. And that is a costly miss for Delhi. Avinash Yadav was stealing the ball again. Parichya with the cross. Avinash Yadav with the ball onto the left-hand side. Trying to come forward. Still with the ball. But lost it. However, eventually earning a free kick for his team. Free kick will be taken by Avinash Yadav once again. Avinash with the free kick. The ball is on target. And that's an opportunity. Yes, that's a goal. And it is Rajnish Rana. Look at the joy. Look at the celebration. As you can see, the important aspect of this particular free kick was the fact that the ball was on target. Rajnish Rana getting a new gift literally. And we now have another attack coming in from the left-hand side for Delhi, but stopped. So Avinash Yadav trying to come from the left-hand side. Look at him go. A cross coming in, opportunity for Delhi. Rajnish Rana with the ball on the penalty box of Kolkata there. Trying to maneuver around that chance. And unfortunately, that's a offside decision given against Delhi. They have, in fact, started to do the celebration there. And it was a very, very important decision. Linesman gets it absolutely spot on. And I don't understand what he's trying to do there, but I'm sure finally he delivers the ball across. What an acrobatic defensive move by there. And a very nice movement down to the right-hand side. The cross coming in straight to the goalkeeper. But that was indeed a very good cross. Very nicely recovered. And that's the end of our story on this first game on the senior boys category. From Cooperage Ground, Churchgate, Mumbai. It was Mamta Moran Senior Secondary School, Delhi, battling against the Kapasdanga Satin Sen Vidyapit, Kolkata. And nothing could separate between both these teams. The second goal, which was scored by Delhi, was denied by the linesman's decision offside against them. And in fact, that was a very crucial decision.